3 young. What's up? Okay, 4 young. What's up?
Listen to me. If you keep doing this stupid and you try to fight us, listen. You're gonna go to jail.
Watch how a 16-year-old tries to play the victim when officers confront her about her heavily damaged car.
Hey, go ahead and step out. Step out of the truck.
I'm finna hop out.
What's that?
I'm finna hop out. Let me call my.
Hey, step out of the truck. Step out.
Okay, you don't have to call me like that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am.
I'm hopping this way.
Walk this
don't
way.
Don't touch me like that.
Ma'am.
Go. Let me get my.
No, you're not going back in there. Go.
3 young. What's up? Okay, 4 young. What's
Walk
up?
this way.
I'm walking this way.
Let's go on the sidewalk so you don't get hit by a
Give me
truck.
my phone.
Ma'am.
Give me my phone.
Listen, we are asking you nicely. Can you step
I
on the
know,
sidewalk?
and y'all finna charge me with a citation and all this other bullshit.
Can you come over here to the sidewalk, please?
Okay,
Walk.
I'm walking
All
over
right,
here.
thank you very much.
Oh my god, y'all gotta have 5 people
Start
on me.
Let's call the
Alright.
police.
Okay, call my dad.
Who's responsible for you right now?
My dad.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
A few shots. A beer.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
17.
Yep.
Do you have your father's number?
I ain't got a phone or nothing on me.
No, I'll call it. What's the number?
Hello. Sorry I missed you. Please leave a
That's
message
my mom.
and I will call you back.
Do you have another number we can call? Okay. My name's Austin Morris, Police Department, okay? Everyone's main concern is just you're driving, okay?
Okay, we all got 4 people, 5 people up here.
Yeah, I guess a lot of people call
But when y'all can check me on my driving.
I guess they're upset about
Okay,
your
well
front
then
wheel.
when y'all drive me home then.
What happened to the front of your vehicle?
What'd you hit? You hit a corner?
Can I look at it?
Yeah, you can look at it.
A la verga. Okay, I can't keep driving after that.
Come talk to me over here, ma'am, okay? Get you away from all these cops. Okay.
Just let me go home.
Well, so first I need to make sure that you're safe to be driving in the first place, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna put you through a battery test. If I determine you're safe to be driving, then we'll get you a ride, okay? So
Y'all got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cops out here.
yeah, look at the front of your car. Everyone's worried
Drive
about
you
it.
can count, but
Yeah, they gotta.
would you
I took
listen
out
to
the
this
headlight.
officer?
Yeah. First thing I'm gonna have you do, okay? You can put your heels and your toes together.
Yes,
Put your
sir.
hands down by your side for me, okay? This is gonna be the starting position. Follow
Yes, sir.
the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only, okay?
Yes,
Can
sir. Y'all don't need 2 of them though.
you
Y'all don't need
yeah.
2 of them though.
Hey, I got you. Hey, Mr. Rodriguez.
Yes?
Hey, sir, we're here with your daughter. She's driving a black in color truck. We had multiple calls in reference to her driving. We pull her over, and this truck is missing a tire on the right side. It's been appeared to be crashed on the front right side, and it's also been appeared to be crashed on the left side. And she's extremely intoxicated. Is there any way you can come to?
Yeah, her boyfriend left to go get her.
Unfortunately, he didn't get her. She's on a traffic stop, and she's going to be arrested more than likely. And we need you to respond.
Okay.
All right, thanks, sir. Don't
Yo.
move your head, okay? Don't move your
Yo.
head. Just your
Okay,
eyes.
I see you.
Okay.
I'm not moving my head nor my eyes. It's hard to I gotta piss.
Okay. Put
Do
your,
y'all want me to piss in front of y'all?
no. Put your hands back down your side for me, okay?
Okay,
We're almost done.
I'm not. What do y'all think I'm
Okay.
gonna do? Pull out a
No.
gun on y'all?
It's just a part of it. Okay?
Piss.
One more, okay?
Okay, I see y'all. Damn, y'all are tripping.
Okay.
Y'all always trip on me.
Okay. I've never met you before, okay? Put your hands down by your side, just like they were. Put
Okay, but I have to pee.
okay.
P-E.
Okay.
S.
Put your right
Piss.
foot
I gotta
put
piss
your foot in front of your left for me, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Heel to toe. 9
toe.
consecutive. Okay, let me explain it, okay? I'll wait till they're done.
Okay, but why does he have to do that?
He's going to an important call.
Okay, but why does
They're
he
all
have to do that? But they're not calling an important
they're-
call in anyway.
they're all leaving. They got to go to an important
Okay,
call, okay?
well, they can leave.
9 consecutive heel to toe steps, okay?
And what
You're-
if I can't?
What do you mean? What if you can't?
What if I can't? Okay, if I can't take
Then-
9 steps, 9 steps,
Why
that's a lot of steps.
Why couldn't you take 9
And
steps?
you're walking off.
Yep,
9 steps. What if I can't? 9 steps.
Why
9
couldn't you?
steps,
Yeah.
and it's supposed to be 5. Okay.
Okay, you're gonna keep your hands
And
down
y'all
by your
finna
side.
take me to pee backward?
Yes, when we're done, okay? When you look down at your feet, you're gonna count out loud, okay? It's gonna look like this.
For demonstration purposes, I'm not done. For demonstration purposes, I took 3. You're going to take 9. Okay?
Okay,
Don't.
that's what I'm going to.
Last 2 things.
Okay.
Don't start until I tell you to, and don't start once
tell
you
me
stop.
when
Don't
to.
stop.
Okay,
Get back in that position, okay?
Okay,
Okay.
it's cold.
Do you understand the directions I gave you?
Yes,
Okay.
you said right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, 9 times. And then I'm finna spin it back around.
Okay.
2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. Don't give me no. 13.
Okay.
Yeah, y'all have ladies. I know you got baby mamas. Y'all got ladies. Let me see.
Okay. Are you done with the test?
I'm done with the 9 steps.
Okay.
Okay, well, let me follow. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and I stumbled a little bit.
Okay. So last one, okay, and then we'll get out of here.
Bad.
Okay.
Like,
One leg.
y'all want me to start dripping down my f***ing leg? I'm 16 years old.
You're gonna raise your foot. Don't start until I tell you to. Okay. So I'm just demonstrating it for you right now. Okay.
I knew
So-
so I did that. Still, I
Okay.
gotta
We're almost done. Okay. Put your hands down by your side.
Yo. Okay.
Okay, and then whichever foot you want, raise them approximately 6
sir.
inches off the ground. You're going to look down. You're going to keep your foot parallel to the
I
ground.
can't stick my foot 10
Flat.
inches off the
It's
ground.
only 6 inches off the ground, remember? And then you're going to
6,
look
10,
down and
whatever.
count out loud until I tell you to stop, okay? Don't put your foot down, and don't start until I tell you to, okay? Do you understand the instructions I've given you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, whenever you're
But
ready,
I
you may
can't-
begin.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
I can't stand on my 1 foot though.
Okay.
Y'all can't. I can't stand on 1 foot though. Look at me.
Mm-hmm.
Hold my hand.
I can't hold your hand. That's not part of the test. You got to put your hands
Hold
down
my
by...
hand. Just
Nope.
a little.
Nope.
1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
And you're finna.
No, go ahead. Don't
And
do
you're
that.
finna hold. Okay. What's your name?
Hey, listen. Don't do that.
Okay. Nah. Let me do one more time. Y'all finna hold me. I'm 16 years old, fool. Oh my God. Okay. Nah. I mean, okay.
Let's go.
Okay. I'm chilling. I'm chilling, fool. Nah, fool. What the?
Calm down.
No, what the? Fool. I'm chilling, fool. What the?
Back, okay?
Okay, I'm chilling.
Relax.
Hey,
Okay,
Relax. You're making this worse for yourself.
Listen.
You need to relax.
You're about to get put into a
I'm
wrap,
chilling.
okay? You got to calm down.
I'm chilling.
Hey,
fool.
y'all go stand over.
All right, I'm gonna go get her down.
Okay.
Let me go. I'm 16 years old, fool.
Okay.
Okay.
My dad's a veteran.
Okay.
My dad's son in Vietnam, fool. Stop holding me like that.
Well,
I'm
you were
being
fighting
dead ass,
us,
fool.
okay?
I'm not holding y'all, fool. Let me go. Okay, let me go. Nah, what is it? Let me go. Y'all.
He can go down to the Roswell Police Department. Yeah. And I'll come out there and talk to him, okay?
Ow, fool.
Hey, listen.
You're
Hey.
trying to manhandle my
I'm trying to help you, okay? I
put
need
my
you.
hair on my face.
I
and
can't. I'm trying.
You can't touch me or
No, listen to me. Hey, you're 17?
I'm not even 18.
Okay.
Let me and my go, bro.
Are you gonna let me help you or no? Okay. Look,
Okay, well
You're
let
there.
my go, bro.
everybody's
Y'all,
free.
okay, well what y'all do to my go? Y'all
He
have me
left.
handcuffed.
He left.
Where's Okay,
He went to go get your. He went to go get your.
Let me,
We already
okay,
talked
well,
to your dad.
Please.
Okay.
Let me out of these handcuffs.
You're just hurting yourself. I'm trying to help you.
Just okay. Well,
Listen.
just let. I'm
Just-
listening.
okay.
I will listen as soon as you let me out of these handcuffs. It's hard.
If you don't listen to what I'm going to tell you, I'm going to roll out the window, okay? The state of New Mexico is not
the hair
going...
out of my window.
Last chance. The state of New Mexico is not going to incarcerate you for this, very likely, okay?
Well, please
So,
just let the door open.
listen,
I have stuff in my face.
So the state of New Mexico is likely not going to incarcerate you for this, okay?
I'm 16 years old.
Okay.
You're going to get in trouble. I'm trying to be cool with y'all.
Okay.
Y'all are trying to get me in trouble. Let me go out of these handcuffs. Y'all act like
All right,
I'm
let's
not.
roll the window, but she ain't listening.
Alright.
Hey, sir, are you dad?
I'm dead.
All right, Officer Morris, Roswell Police Department. Hey, sir, so She's pretty intoxicated.
Yeah.
When driving.
Well, I didn't know where she went. I can't drive. She does driving for me.
Okay. Does she have a valid driver's license?
No, she don't.
Okay. You want to come over to your truck with me real quick? I'm guessing it didn't look like this before it left.
No. Probably ran over a curb or something.
Oh,
No, she
something
didn't
more,
sleep.
something more than that.
Something more than that. Really?
Yeah, you'll see here in a second.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And then this over here.
Yeah, that there was done before that one.
Okay, so that had happened already, but
Yeah.
that one over there is new.
Yeah.
Okay. So here's the situation. Okay, so she's intoxicated.
Yeah, well, I'm sure she is.
Yep. So the truck reeks of weed.
Uh-huh.
She told me she's high on bud, and she told this officer that she'd been drinking. Okay. She keeps trying to fight us. So she tried to fight me when we put her in handcuffs, and she's very upset back there. She's likely not going to jail, but if she keeps trying to fight us, she is going to go to jail. Okay. So we'll roll down the back window so you can try to talk some sense into her.
Yeah.
But she's also extremely intoxicated, so I don't know how far that's going to get you. Okay.
God, Patsy, let me go home. Dad,
Honey?
I know, Dad, just let me go pee. I swear I will take the blame. I was driving drunk. I don't want you to take no blame, Dad.
No, what, honey? You know you shouldn't have.
I know what you tell me all the time, but I have to go pee, and they're holding me. Dad, look at my
Well, they're doing their job.
Okay, Dad, well, they can let me go.
Calm down.
Okay.
Now they're talking about
On
letting
you,
you
Dad.
go, but you're going to have to be a little calmer. I'm going to give you.
Let me go, so I promise you, when you get home,
Listen,
let me give him a hug and a kiss.
he's gonna go
You
to
know how old he is?
You're-
He's looking 40. Okay.
He's gonna go to the police department with us, okay? And
Can I
then
give
once,
him a hug and kiss now, huh?
listen, once we're done, you're gonna get released to him. You're gonna go to
Okay,
him for the
please
night.
do.
We
Please.
can't open the door, honey. Okay. We're going to
Okay, Dad, well, you know, okay, Dad. I know.
All right, hey, we're gonna go over to the Roswell Police Department, have them take you over there, and you'll just have to wait till the booking process is done, and I'll come give you an update, okay?
Oh, let me see a phone. Let me see a phone. I have rights, fool. I stood up to this nigga and he got. Give me a phone.
Hey, she needs to go, dude.
Give me a phone. I'm not even 18 years old. Give me a phone. No, I hopped out of cuffs and he got scared and put me back in cuffs. Give me a phone. Let me go and let me stand between all 33 on. I will beat every single one of y'all without get me out of this cup, fool. Don't put a fucking hand on my dad either, fool. Y'all put a finger on my dad, fool. I swear.
Hey,
I swear to God.
hey, all right, sit down, dude. Knock this off. Listen to me, okay?
He put me.
No.
He threw me to the wall.
Yeah, I know he
Okay,
did.
he threw me to the
I
wall.
know. Hey, so right now, you're not going to jail. You're not going to juvenile detention.
He
You're not
threw
doing
me
any of
to
that.
the
Listen to
wall.
me.
Okay, he
If you
threw me
keep
to the
doing this
wall.
stupid and you try to fight us,
You have-
listen,
you
you're going to
have-
go to jail, okay?
Okay.
Do you want to go to
Put me
jail?
You have me.
I don't, because you keep trying to fight
Put
us.
me to the wall. How old are you? I'm 16 years old. How old are you? 26.
Hey,
How are you 30 years older than me, fool? I don't give a f. Put me
if
to
you
the
keep
wall.
acting like this, you're going to go to jail. Do you want to go home with Dad or do you want to go to jail?
If this 30-year-old
Yeah.
puts me to the wall again.
Yeah, because it's his job when you slip out of
Okay.
handcuffs.
Okay.
So do you want to go home with Dad or do you want to go to jail?
Are you finna let me slip out?
I'm not letting you. You made that choice.
You tried to put me to the f***ing wall.
Hey, if
Tell
you
me
want to
did
go
it.
home, you need to
You
stop.
tried to put me to the wall.
I'm going to bring Dad in here. We're going to read you some stuff.
Shove me to the wall.
Can somebody go out there and get Dad and bring him in here?
Okay.
Don't bring Dad in here.
I have to for the implied.
Okay, but he shoved me to the
I'm about
wall.
to just have her incarcerated.
You're finna have me incarcerated
All right.
because I'm not finna chill out.
If you're not going to sit there and be quiet so we can get this stuff done, you're going to go. Look at that. All you had to do was sit there and be quiet and you wouldn't go to jail, but you couldn't do that.
Call him back.
Good job.
I'm finna chill.
Too late for that, bud.
Okay.
Hey, sir.
Yeah.
So we tried to reason with her. She won't listen to anybody, and then so she slipped out of her handcuff and tried to attack one of the officers. So she got put down on the ground, and now they're possibly going to incarcerate her for juvenile detention. So I tried. I gave her every chance in the book, but you can hear her right now. She's not acting right. So you can go hang out back at the front, okay?
She might calm down if I'm in there.
No, she's not. She's being irate, so we're not even going to do that, okay? But whenever I read her the implied consent, if we take that route, I will have you in here for it, okay?
Okay.
So I'll come get you, okay? And I'll keep you updated on whether or not she's getting incarcerated or not.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You know y'all be coming out. You go to the beach?
Just go ahead and have a seat over here, sir.
That's all right, baby.
They have me locked up like this.
Well, honey, that's good job.
They're not allowed to have. I am not even 18. I'm just acting smart. But I was acting smart.
I'm going to take you out of these, okay?
Okay. And he said, like, but you
Want to come over here with me?
Go over there and do what you say.
Is you're going to start blowing into this. You're going to take a deep breath and blow hard into this, and it will make a tone. I'll tell you when to stop, okay? Okay, take a deep breath. Blow hard. Keep going. Okay. You can go have a seat back over there, okay? These are the results from the breath test, okay? It's a .22 and a .21, almost 3 times the legal limit for an adult, a lot over. So that makes it aggravated driving under the influence, which is a felony. All right, y'all are going to be good to go, okay? Y'all are good to go. Just go to those dates, okay?
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.